Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable print screen button to open screen sniping on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to disable print screen button to open screen sniping on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you simple method how to do this. In this, the first method is you have to just click on Start menu, then click on Settings. In left side you will find Accessibility, click on that. Come to the right side. Here you will find Keyboard, click on this. Scroll down. In this you will find underline access key and use the print screen to open screen capture. You have to just toggle it off. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable print screen button to open screen sniping in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.